How to enable or disable portraits in photo mode on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Camera. After that, scroll down, and then tap on Portraits in photo mode. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And here say automatically capture depth information if a person, dog or cat is prominent in the frame in photo mode, so you can apply portrait effects later. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. When you want to take a portrait picture, you can launch your camera and then use portrait mode and capture a photo. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.